Guys, this is a quick video, just a quick video. I was airbrushing and I just wanted to show you there was spitting happening on my airbrush. Now a lot of people might come across this who are beginners and might get frustrated. The reason why there is because you use this, there's acrylic built into that nozzle, acrylic paint. So the way to get rid of it is you could either use an old needle like this from your airbrush. This is a new one, but you can use it, or you can get a tool, a cleaning tool. What you do, you put it in and just slowly twist around. Oop, I'll just turn my compressor off. You just slowly twist around here, and can you see at the top all of this? A bit has come out, but can you see that at the top? All that acrylic paint is built up in the nozzle. So that creates spitting, and that can happen over time. That's a lot. Normally it's not that much, but that is a lot of paint come out there. Normally I clean it regularly, but I just carried on doing projects, and I just wanted to share that with you. That's why if your airbrush is blocked, it's not working properly, that's more or less it's going to be this nozzle. Gold is normally a golden color. That's the problem. So if you wipe it off, and you don't want to go too hard, I'll just do in a white background here. You don't want to go too hard because you don't want to damage the front of the nozzle. You're just slowly doing circular, and look at that, there's more coming out. So this is what's blocking all the paint coming out there. Look at that. Look at that. So I'll just get a tissue now, wipe it. And this is how you know it's clear. When you get the nozzle, you let go of it, it just sits on the needle. That means it'll sit on your airbrush needle, yeah? That's another way to test it. If you put it on here and it like stops halfway here, you know there's a whole load of paint stuck there. So there's a little tip I wanted to let you know about. So that's all working fine. Okay, so just a quick video, as I was literally just airbrushing now and it all clogged up. I just wanted to show you if anyone's having any problems, because when you first get an airbrush it can be a bit frustrating, but I hope this helps. Yeah, so just check your nozzle. That's probably the first thing that may be causing it, sorry. Okay.